Solitaire Cache does not use a separate cloud save button for restoring registered game progress. Its support says your account data is restored when you reinstall the app and sign back into the same registered account. Solitaire Cache Tunan. If your Solitaire Cache progress is missing after reinstalling, the first thing to check is whether you are actually signed into the original account. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly where to check the account, what can cause progress to disappear, and what to do if the game still shows the wrong progress. Start by opening Solitaire Cache and tapping Account in the menu bar. Select Existing User, then tap Sign in Turn. Solitaire Cache uses the phone number you originally registered with, and the app sends a verification code by SMS. Solitaire Cached. This matters because reinstalling the app does not automatically mean you are connected to the correct account. If you accidentally create or use a different account, the game can appear as if your previous progress was never saved. There is also a major distinction between deleting the app and deleting your account. Solitaire Cache says deleting the app does not remove a registered account, and reinstalling it lets you log back in and recover your previous progress, including your balance and XPDY. Solitaire Cached 3. So if Cloud Save appears to be broken, do not delete your account as a troubleshooting step. Solitaire Cache specifically warns that an account cannot be restored after it has been permanently deleted. Solitaire Cache Tuanan. There is one exception that explains why some players lose progress after reinstalling. If you had not completed the registration process before deleting the app, Solitaire Cache says that progress can be lost when the app is removed. Solitaire Cached 3. If you are sure you registered, use the original phone number and complete the SMS login again. If the account still does not show your previous progress, contact Solitaire Cache support rather than creating another account or repeatedly reinstalling the app. The official support information lists Solitaire Cache support at papaya.com. Mail to Solitaire Cache support at papaya.com for assistance. Solitaire Cached Tuanan. So the fix is straightforward. Verify that you completed registration, sign in with the original phone number, and avoid deleting the account. The key point is that Solitaire Cache restores registered account progress through your account login, rather than requiring a separate cloud save toggle. Try the account existing user sign-in path, first day. If your original progress still does not appear, contact support with your account details. If this fixed your Solitaire Cache cloud save problem, like the video and subscribe for more Solitaire Cache troubleshooting guides.